Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Back today with another video, and today I'm pouring over this 12 by 12 inch canvas. It's a gallery wrapped canvas. I did a pour that I was trying a different recipe on and I don't like it, so I'm going to be pouring over it, and I'm going to be doing a little series of some brights. I did them a while back. I actually sold quite a few of them, so I wanted to make some more. And this is going to be my orange bright. I think I was calling them Botanicals before. These I'm going to call brights. Not exactly sure what the composition is going to be yet. It's kind of depending on how I feel when I start painting. But I know that my base paint, I want it this bright, beautiful, iridescent-y, shimmery orange. So to get this color, I actually combined a bunch of paints. So I used Cadmium Orange by Liquitex Basics. I used some Chroma Molten Metals, and this is Rojo Gold. Is that what it's called? Rojo Gold. But it looks like a orangey, like coppery look to me. Anyway, I put a little of that in there. Put a little of this Color Shift, and this is Red Flash. And then I used some Arteza Pearl Tangerine Orange to get this beautiful, like tangerine orangey color. Anyway, that's going to be my base. Colors I'm going to use for my swipe is Amsterdam Phthalo Turquoise Blue, Blick Bright Green Aqua, Liquitex Basics Brilliant Yellow, Green, some Payne's Gray by Liquitex Basics. I have some violet and iridescent medium mixed in together, and this violet is Liquitex Basics. I also have some Liquitex Basics light blue violet and some Artist Loft ultramarine. So those are going to be my colors for my swipe. I will be swiping most likely with my Floetrol mixture, Amsterdam paint and Floetrol mixture. I don't think I'm going to add anything else into that today. So I think I'm just going to do white. All right, so let's get started here. I'm going to pour my base paint down and we'll get started. If you're new here, please like and subscribe and comment, and go back and check out. I have a lot of videos and a lot of information in my description boxes. So if you're looking for anything, I do a lot of alcohol inks as well. Fluid art, resin art. So go back and check out some of my old videos, and yeah, all right, here we go.
I left things unsaid, and you cannot forget how my mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never be afraid of them. You and I know when we are too far apart, everything just falls apart. So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free. I'll keep my head high while we're crossing the land. With all the minds we laid down, it's gonna take us some time, but I won't give up, though I know it is tough. We need to break our patterns. It's better now than after we have drifted off too far. Let's tear down these walls our destiny has called. We're walking down a path, and the wind will change at last, like a song about our past. So I just close my eyes and makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold